From every corner, from every direction, we hear about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. Oh, the miracle of modern finance. Real digital gold.
What? Do you think it's true? Why did Bitcoin become so popular?
And the most important question is,
How does Bitcoin really work?
actually, blockchain's principles underline Bitcoin's value.
And only a few people really know how it all works.
This is Minto Academy. Let's start.
In 2008, a document was published.
Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. It was published by someone named Satoshi Nakamoto. No one knows what he looked like.
Maybe something like this. So, blockchain and Bitcoin popped into the world together. Actually, Bitcoin is just a number confirmed by the network and securely stored in your crypto wallet.
Confusing? Makes no sense?
Yep, I know.
Let's dive into the concept of a chain list.
Let's imagine that you have a debt book. Each time you open it, you see how much each person owes you. There's Mike who hasn't returned $100, but there's Steven who borrowed 100 and has already returned it. And then time passes, you forget everything and decide to refresh your memory.
Mike owes you
$10 and Steven borrowed 100 more. What?
Looks like hacking.
And to avoid losing money, you remember you've already watched this video and decide to use hashing.
because any string of data can be converted into a set of single-digit characters. Hash. A change to any character alters the hash beyond recognition. You use the well-known SHA-256 algorithm,
Hashing every entry in your ledger. And now you can check if anyone has changed the record simply by recalculating its hash.
and comparing the result. But greedy Mike also watched this video and knows exactly what's going on.
So you come up with the idea of hashing not the record itself,
But combining it with the previous record's hash.
Now, if you change even one tiny dot, you'll have to recalculate the entire chain.
At night, Mike sneaks into your house and calculates all the hashes in order. The night was worth it.
Yes, it was hard, but now you owe me $100 for the shirt.
So, how can you protect yourself?
Let's add some complex math problem to the string. And we'll add the answer to the final hash. Now, each record will take Mike about 10 minutes, because the task is difficult.
However, your vacation is coming up, which means that Mike will recalculate it everything again until you get home. Well, in reality, it's not that simple. Modern computers are really good at solving tasks. What tasks? Even equations. Let's ask a major question. Where do we store so many equations? So, we need a brilliant solution.
The creators of blockchain came up with this task. Now, to record a hash, it must start with 10 zeros.
This was called unknowns. It's very hard to find, but the result is very easy to verify. Just look for 10 zeros at the beginning. Even clever Mike won't be able to recalculate all these hashes in one night with a powerful laptop to meet this condition. And you, in the meantime, created their first blockchain on the fly. By the way, its security is guaranteed by mathematicians, who have proven that to calculate these hashes, we need to go through all the options. But that takes a while. We still have a lot of unresolved issues.
How to make a network out of this? How to determine who calculated the hash first? Why?
Actually taking part in all this mathematics.
Well, answer all these questions in the next video. Meanwhile, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss our new releases.